Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Ethan, and today we are going to be fishing with this lipless crankbait. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It would really help out the channel and I would appreciate it a lot. Now let's get straight into it. Fish! Got one! He hit it right at the boat. There we go. Oh, get out of the pads. He tried to go up in the pads with me. There we go. He got it pretty good, so he's bleeding a little bit. So I'm gonna get him back in the water. I'm so sorry, buddy. Alrighty, it's been a couple hours, but I'm back out here on the water. Gonna give this a few more casts. I gotta go to work soon, so I can't fish too long. I'll see if I can't catch us another fish or two, you know, make a video. Fish, got one. Feels like a decent one. That feels like a decent fish. He's jumping. He's trying to run towards the pads. I'm trying to keep him out of the pads. I don't want him to get in the pads. Yeah, that's a decent fish, I think. I don't know. Yeah, it is. Yes, let's go. Let's go. There he is. It's a good fish. It's like a solid 2.5. We're on another one. We're on another one. It's literally been like, that was like maybe 4 casts later after that 2.5 pounder, I'd say. This one, I don't know about this one. Yeah, this one ain't as good, but still fish nonetheless. Let's go. Boat flip. Here we go. There we go, another fishy. I think he didn't even realize I'd let go of him there for a second. I'm on another one. Literally the next cast. Literally the next cast, I'm on another one. They must be stacked up. All 3 of those fish from the same spot. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta get this fish in real quick. He was hooked in the mouth, but now he's foul hooked because he shook it out and it foul hooked him. I do not like foul hooking fish. Another nice little bass. I'm gonna get a nice release on him here. You know, it feels really nice to just like put on the bait you want to catch fish on and catch fish on it. You know, it feels good because I wanted to catch fish on a lipless, so I tied it on and they're biting it. It's amazing. It's a good day to be fishing. Too bad I got work. Right there, right there. Here's another one. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's a smaller one. Yeah, this one's boat flipping size. Boop. There. Whoa. Oh. Calm down. Okay, our 5th fish is a bit smaller. Let's toss him back. Got another one. We're hooked up on a fish right now. This one feels good, but it's probably not. It is really far away. He's pulling really hard. I fight them so aggressively in here because I really don't want them to get up in the pads. They get up in the pads, it's over. Oh.
The wireless customer you are calling is not available.
Jeez.
Please try again later.
This is just fighting, buddy. This is another decent one. Got another good fishy on the lipless. Get him back in the water right now. We're on another one. We're on another one. We're on another one. Dude, they're feeding up like crazy. Must be. That's numero 7. He's running right at me. Like literally running at me. Dude, like I was having to reel as fast as I could just to keep up with him. It's crazy. Our 7th one, our 7th fish. Go ahead, let him get back in there. If you made it this far, drop a comment down below that says Little John, because in my next fishing video, my boat Little John will have a trolling motor and we will be cruising around the pond. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Christ is King, and I will catch you in the next one.